Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a wonderful organic fertilizer that your plants will adore. It's incredibly simple to create using only a few ingredients you probably already have at home. This handmade mix is rich in nutrients and will help your plants grow strong and healthy. It's also an excellent way to recycle certain common household goods that would otherwise be discarded. So hang around and let's get started on creating this easy yet effective plant booster. Making organic liquid fertilizer from tea bags and oatmeal is an easy and effective approach to nourish your plants. You can utilize discarded or expired tea bags, which is an excellent way to recycle what would otherwise go to waste. Let me walk you through the procedure step by step so you can replicate it at home. Begin by taking a container large enough to hold the mixture. You will need around 1 cup of oats and 5 tea bags. You can utilize used or expired tea bags. The oatmeal serves as a base for the fertilizer, while the tea bags give extra nutrients. Once the oats and tea bags are in the container, add lukewarm water. The water should be warm but not hot, just enough to enable the oats and tea bags release their nutrients. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure that everything is evenly distributed. Let this settle for about 48 hours. During this time, the water will collect nutrients from the tea and oatmeal, resulting in a nutrient-dense liquid suitable for feeding your plants. After 48 hours, sift the liquid to remove any solid pieces of oatmeal and tea leaves. You're left with a nutrient-rich drink. But before you give it to your plants, dilute it with water. This is crucial since the liquid can be fairly concentrated, and diluting it ensures that your plants receive the proper quantity of nutrients without being overwhelmed. Now let's speak about why this DIY fertilizer is so effective. First, the oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in carbs, which degrade in the soil and give a gradual flow of energy to your plants. It also contains critical elements like phosphorus, which promotes root growth, and magnesium, which is required for photosynthesis. The oatmeal also improves soil structure by adding organic matter, which can help retain moisture and promote aeration, allowing your plant's roots to grow more easily. The tea bags, whether used or expired, contain nutrients that are good to plants. Tea contains tannic acid, which can slightly lower the pH of the soil, increasing its acidity. This is ideal for acid-loving plants such as tomatoes, roses, and blueberries. The tea also includes nitrogen, an essential nutrient that promotes plant growth and vitality. Nitrogen is an essential component of chlorophyll, the chemical that turns plants green and allows them to convert sunlight into energy. By including tea in your fertilizer, you give your plants an extra burst of nitrogen, which can result in lush, green growth. Thank you for watching.